How to list digital products on Shopify. Hey there, Shopify entrepreneurs. Ever wanted to sell ebooks, music, printables, or even courses? Today's your lucky day. In this 2-minute video, we'll show you exactly how to list digital products on your Shopify store. Step 1. Create a product listing. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin and click Products. Hit Add Product and fill out the details like title, description, and price. Since it's digital, uncheck the This product requires shipping box. Step 2. Install a digital downloads app. Shopify doesn't handle digital deliveries itself, so we'll need a helping hand. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for digital downloads. There's a free app by Shopify that works great. Install it and follow the setup instructions. Step 3. Upload your digital file. Now, back to your product listing. Click More Actions and choose Add Digital File. This will open the digital downloads app. Then here you'll upload the file your customers will receive, like your ebook or software. You can even add multiple files if your product includes a bonus. Step 4. Publish, and you're done. Once your file is uploaded, save the product listing and hit Publish. That's it. Your digital product is now live on Shopify store, ready to be purchased and delivered instantly. So easy, right? Now, you can sell all sorts of creative content directly through your store. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and smash that like button for more Shopify tutorials. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.